Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be 3D printing the Eye of Agamotto from Doctor Strange. So I did do some very light sanding on this print, but what you see here is a product called XTC 3D, which essentially just smooths the print and kind of gets rid of the layer lines. I use just a very small and cheap chip brush here, but honestly it's the second time I've used this product, and the first time I used one of those like black sponge brushes, and in my opinion that worked a whole lot better than this cheap little brush. So after letting it dry for about 4 hours, I'm just going to really quickly sand it with some 220 and 600 grit sandpaper. And then once that's done, we're just going to lay down a really light coat of primer. We have it all primed, so I'm going to let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow we'll throw some gold paint on it and finish it up. This is just a really cheap Rust-Oleum metallic gold. I think it's like $4 or $5 a can. And then the fun and really dirty part, we're just gonna weather it a little bit with some cheap acrylic paint from Walmart, a little bit of water and a tiny bit of dish soap. And we're basically just gonna apply it to the print and then wipe it away with a paper towel and just repeat the step until you're happy with how it looks. Alright guys, well here it is, the finished Eye of Agamotto. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is a free file on Thingiverse. I'll make sure to link it down in the description. Now, I say it's finished, but there is a couple things that went wrong with it, and there's a couple things that I want to add to it. So first thing I want to add to it is the little necklace that goes in here. I could just like cut some twine or something and do like that, but I would like to have something that's, you know, film accurate. And then the second thing is the eye, the little twisty piece on the back that I kind of showed earlier, just ended up not working. I ended up kind of like cracking one of the little things. If you look here, if I get it to focus, there's like these little ridges right there and then right there. So like there's these little bars that sit in there, and after I finished painting everything and once I was trying to get it in, it went in a couple times, but I couldn't get the eye to turn. So I was trying to play around with it and it ended up cracking. So what I had to do was I ended up just going in and gluing. You can kind of see like the gray. I ended up just gluing the eye in place. So I'm never gonna get the time stone in it like I wanted to, but I still think this looks awesome, so I'm not all that, you know, concerned about it. And then there is a base for it on Thingiverse that I eventually will print. I actually did look at it yesterday morning. It's like a 10-hour print, which, you know, 10 hours isn't all that bad, believe it or not, in the 3D printing world. So I'm probably gonna print that, and it's, you know, the same general thought. You smooth it, you paint it, it'll be gold just like this, and it'll look awesome. So I'll insert a picture real quick. Alright guys, well that's it for my first 3D printing video. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for future 3D printing videos. I got some really cool, really big projects in the works that gonna take me a little bit of time, so eventually I'll get those up. But make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when those future videos are posted. Then of course we have other videos, sports, Disney type stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys back next time, and see you guys later. Bye.